always wanted to go into some kind of maintenance. I just wasn't sure if I was going to go to automotive or aviation, and this really like solidified my choice of aviation. They would rotate us through each of the skill sets on each of the lines. So we got a week of each line and each skill set and a mentor for each one, and they would just take us along with them and show us how to do stuff and then let us do it on our own.
What we see here with AAR in CareerTech and these schools that are participating in the program really gives kids an opportunity to chart their own course, make a path for themselves in the future. So I'm excited for their opportunities that they have, and certainly with aerospace, we're growing at leaps and bounds, and I look forward to seeing what they do in the future.
I've had a lot of fun. It's something that I've never really thought that I would be doing, but I've always had an interest in flying, and I've always had an interest in being in some type of career field like this. I've never had anything this hands-on where I've been able to experience so many different things that go into maintaining an airplane. I think it's something that I can make a career out of, and I could have it for a long time.
Atticus is going into his senior year. You're always talking about like a summer job or some kind of experience put on the resume, but this was not the summer job. This is a lot. He did a lot more than just get a summer job experience. Like, we saw him grow in his responsibility. We saw him grow as a person, and we saw him get like direction. Like, he finally has an idea of what he wants to do with his life.
Most of our equipment has come from CareerTech. We have hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of flight sims and testing equipment, and I am so appreciative for that monetary support. This is the thing that makes me so excited, is it changes the entire trajectory of their whole family. Because when our students get that job and then they get that experience and they either become an A&P or they get other certifications, then it's possible to make over $100,000 a year by the time they're 25 years old. That's amazing.
Well, for us to be able to have the support of CareerTech, the Oklahoma CareerTech system, to see the vision that we had to grow the aviation maintenance technician pipeline in high school is absolutely paying major dividends, just like what we saw today.